Hello guys, at your shop and to be honest, Shreer. Where you go? Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Play. Battle 21. Let's see if now we could. No. Yeah. That's like it is.
Okay, now let's summon the pickle mode to get penguin. Hit the giraffes. And then use the
Go good it. Yeah.
Alright.
So.
Drop this out. Okay, I think I know what to do. Oh, come on. Just miss it.
What's up?
Nope.
Let's get
Yeah,
it.
Cow. I think I know exactly
Hello,
what to
get
do.
him.
Bounce you
Let's
on there.
play.
Pat your cow. Roll over.
Wanna?
Do that.
Okay, bye. Oh, I shake. Dude, this is here well, and I'm at the lemon. So,
Okay, let's do that and then bump
yes.
this one down. Oh, get. Are you serious? Alright, let's make him roll down there and do that. Okay, now he's rolling down there, and now.
I want to be alone.
I hate you. Okay, let's go. When I click this, it'll go here and push this up. So.
It's 1 minute. Go to 11.
Oh, come on. I have to time
The cow.
there. An elephant follow.
Wow. Oh no. So, what it is good is.
No. Okay, how do I time this?
Pizza World.
Maybe like this. I think I know how to time it now. Wait for this to come here. And then do this. Yeah, I did it. Now fall over, elephant. You foul beast.
Shira.
Okay.
See ya.
I have to time this properly. Get it through the hole. Like this. Shoot.
No.
Why do I keep hitting that edge?
No,
This
right
should be
there.
good. Okay, let's just do this.
Una empresa con trayectoria. Sura Investments. Soluciones globales. Asesoría experta.
Los mejores precios cerca de ti.
Yeah. No. Wait, no.
I barely missed it. There we go.
No.
Alright, let's get this penguin. Oh, I actually didn't even think about that. I just... Okay, whatever. Anyways, penguin's having fun. That's all that matters. Alright, when I hit this, it's gonna slide over. Then when I jump, it'll push this pig here. And then get knocked over. And
No.
push the penguin here. I don't see why I need this. I probably need to put it here or something.
No. Oh, that's so
Yeah, I don't know why I'm doing
sweet.
So I'm pretty sure you can't click it. So just leave a question. How are we gonna do it? Oh, I think I need to use the cloud. Or that's where the pig needs to go. The cow. Okay, yeah.
No.
That's why I need to do that. So that he goes there, so he stops. Then he's there. Yeah, that's why we need the cow. No! Yes, elephant, just go down. It's not time. Yeah, that was
Lovely.
still not time. Need to wait for him to go up.
No.
I just missed it. Start over.
That might smell in this gutter.
Missed it again.
No.
Actually, if I do that. Nope, I missed it. Need to wait for him to come up. Oh shoot, I missed it again. Need to wait for him to go back up again. Yes, stay there. No. That was timed extremely bad. Yeah, if that would hit